Okay, let us start with the same, that this in register, that is register means, in earlier example we have seen x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Okay, that is what it contains, the value assigned to a register. Okay, now into your last into COA. Okay, કદાચ તમને ખબર નહીં આવ્યું છે કે નહીં ખબર નહીં, or BEE. Okay, electronics you might have gone through. Okay, there they have given you the use of register. Okay, what is the use of register? It
To
holds,
store a bit.
yes, it stores a number of bit, that is x equal to y, sorry, x equal to 2 and y equal to 12. Okay, so it stores a bit of information of the process, bit of process. Okay, getting. So then what is the total number of memory allotted to particular process? Okay, so if a process id is 5501, then 5501 has allotted 2 micro uh, uh, 0.02 kb for execution. Okay, and the list of open files that is available from where it is been executing, that is the source of a file, and blah blah blah, and rest of the path of a file, and the details of sequence number of the file from where it is being stored. Okay, so these all different number of information is available in PCB, and PCB contains each and every information of a process. So the process is there, and it enters into a process, a not running state, that is very first state. Then it is been dispatched into a running state, and for running state it gets processed. Okay, once the process executes, અહીંયા જે process state છે એ process state toggle થઈને exit થઈ જશે. So once the exit occurs, the PCB again comes into a picture and resides in each and every in the buffer space. Okay, એક buffer space છે જેની અંદર number of process available છે, number of process available છે, that is first process, second process, third process, fourth process, fifth process, and for each and every process we have this model. દરેક પ્રોસેસ ની અંદર આટલી એક પ્રોસેસમાં આટલી વસ્તુઓ હોય. ઓકે, અને એક્ઝિક્યુટ થાય પહેલા, એક્ઝિક્યુટ થયા પછી બી. Okay, any doubt? Because this we are going to see in all over the process states. Okay, any doubt over the session? Fine,
No, sir.
very nice. 36. Okay, so this is what we say into a process control block. That is process state running માં છે, waiting માં છે, okay, exit થયેલી છે, stop છે, okay, suspended છે, block છે, આ બધું available હશે process states માં અહીંયા. Then the location of instruction to next execute. Okay, program counter. Okay, then process number, so each and every process uh, has a particular number to execute, and it is known as PID. And શું કહેવાય? PID, process identification. Then CPU register. Okay, that is register contents of all process centric registers, schedule information, that is priorities, scheduling queue pointer. That means, see what it the register occurs. Register has the priority. Priority means whether the process is being generated by a user or a kernel. Okay, priority means જેમાં આપણે પેલા બેને કીધું ને કે PM છે એની priority દર્શિલ કરતા વધારે છે. So it is being known with the help of this priority. Okay, this is what the priority, and this priority is assigned at the time of process number is given. Okay, ये कई रीते खबर पड़શે? The process number or process ID is generated below 1000. Okay, एक 1000 नंबर के नीचे अगर that is 0 in between 0 to 999, अगर 0 से 999 प्रोसेस आईडी है, ठीक है, तो वो कर्नल ने एग्जीक्यूट करी है. एंड इफ इट इज अबव देन 1000, ओके 1000 से ज्यादा है, तो वो प्रोसेस यूजर ने एग्जीक्यूट करी है. ओके, सो वी हैव बोथ द बाइफरकेशन. अगर प्रोसेस 999 से कम है तो वो प्रोसेस कर्नल ने एग्जीक्यूट करी है. अगर कर्नल ने एग्जीक्यूट करी है तो क्या होगा, उसकी प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा है. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट इज if it is more than 1000 number of PID, it is been generated by a user. वो user ने generate करी है, so it has less number of priority other than a kernel, so it sets a priority. Okay, then memory management information, how number, what number of memory is allocated to a process. Okay, જેમ કે દર્શિલ ને જીમ માં જવું હોય તો જીમમાં ડમ્બેલ સૂચકવા માટે એને એનર્જી જોઈએ. ઓકે, તો અહીંયા બી કોઈ બી પ્રોસેસ ને એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરવા માટે એની મેમરી આપે. કોણ આપે? સિસ્ટમ આપે और कर्नल આપે. Then account information list, that is CPU, clock time, okay, start time, end time, everything will be available. Okay, and status information that is available here hoy છે બધું. Then IO devices, the IO device is allocated to a process list of open files. Okay, so this is known as process control block. So all the information of every single process will be available with the process control block. So each process control block is very very important. In your gate examination also and your mid-sem, that is internal examination, and university examination also, process control block is very very important. We may ask you to write a short note on process control block. Okay, so you need to write or write a detailed instruction, detailed theory of process control block along with this diagram. Okay, any doubt? No, fine. Okay, so this is two-state process model, has a buffer space, that is process control block, and we have learned about process control block. What is process control block? So number of stack will have number of process, and number of process will, single process will have number of details of each process. Okay, દરેક process ની આટલી આટલી information available હશે. Okay, so tomorrow we'll learn more about the process control block. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we'll keep, yes, 36 number, 20 to 36.
Yes, sir.
કઈ કેવું છે?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll keep our session here. Okay,